on, wax off. All right, folks. Sorry for the delays, but we're back at this thing again. Our fuel pressure situation with the carburetor kind of, you know, took up some time to figure out and get right and everything. So we're progressing on with the rest of it now. You notice there's a Aeromotive box sitting on the hood. So that means our fuel pressure regulator has arrived. So we'll take a look at that in a little bit. But to finish up the hood, what we're doing right now is making this hole a little more round. And we'll have to cut this part of the brace out so you have a smooth hunk of metal to work with. Because we're going to use this. This is some kind of door seal that I got from the hardware store. The idea of having that is when the hood scoop is on here and it rains out, the rain will probably run down into the scoop, and rather than having it fall right in this hole on top of the engine, we're going to have this all the way around it, so the water will be encouraged to go around. And the scoop's not sealed or anything, so theoretically it should drain out the front because that's the low point. So I scuffed the hood real quick, the hood scoop real quick with green Scotch-Brite. I am not a bodywork person and never ever want to be, so this is as good as it's going to get with this thing for now. All right, hood scoop's all painted and ready to go. We'll leave it dry overnight and nail it on the car tomorrow. Wax on, wax off. Noisy thing. Keep me from concentrating on my wax on, wax off. Alright, there you go. Hood all waxed up. Just so you know, I should have done that before I started fitting the hood scoop, because normally you protect the paint with a coat of wax before you start doing stupid shit like that. Alright, let's see what we got in the Aeromotive box. Another box. Stop. Do not return to your retailer. Hopefully we won't have to return it at all. Hopefully it will just work and solve every little problem that we have. Well, except for maybe personal problems, insanity, and people that work on hot rods and stuff. Ooh, look at that. Instructions. So this is it. It all its glory. Ah, there you go. Bypass inlet. So this is the high pressure side, and this is the low pressure side that goes to the carburetor, or on that side. We're probably going to mount it like that, so we'll probably plug this side off. High pressure from the pump will go in here. The return will come out of the bypass and head back to the tank. And this will probably give us a nice 5-6 PSI, which our carburetor will like a lot. All right, we nailed the Aeromotive fuel pressure regulator on there, and we were able to get the high side down to about, I think about 10-12 PSI. The carburetor side is sitting right at 4.5. That's pretty good. Yeah, even though it's raining, we had to go out for a ride anyway, just because. It's like we're still about 4.5 on the carbs, and about 10 on the high pressure side. So, I think that means it works.